Do you guys want to learn how to make your YouTube for free? Free means free. Let's get into it. I'm going to give you the free programs that I use. I am going to give you the free equipment that I use. I'm going to give you the free. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. Just to start. Equipment, which is going to be your phone. I'll give you tips towards lighting, bow, and all that. So let's get into it. One of my most asked questions is this. I need to know how to start. Make sure that you go to YouTube and you sign up. Basically, that's it. All you gotta do is sign up, come up with a catchy name, or just use your name. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure that you sign up. Downloading a free software app for editing, and it's extremely easy. I'm gonna put it above right there. Editing app for the Lolo. It is free. Yes, free. VLLO. VLLO is a free program that is editing. It also has texts. It also has all of that. I actually just upgraded to the premium, which was $10 for a lifetime. Which is way better than Filmora, which is way better than iMovie to me personally. And Filmora was like $60 and it doesn't even freaking work. But this one, VLLO, actually works. And it gives you so much variety, so much stuff. You have no Another idea. Really important thing is thumbnails. So with thumbnails, you have to make your thumbnail stand out. It's like an introduction. Basically, you're introducing your video. And introduction is everything. If they see a stupid thumbnail, if they see a plain thumbnail, if they see a thumbnail that does not spark their interest, they're not gonna click on your video. So make sure that you have a very interesting thumbnail. There we go, yeah. Thumbnail. Yeah. Now, another thing that I'm starting to realize is that tags are important. Tags are important. Extremely. Whatever video you have, make sure that you're actually doing your research to see what tags are actually gonna stick, what videos are actually being posted with the type of title that you have, the type of content that you have. Also, make sure that you look at their thumbnails and make sure that your thumbnail stands out more than their thumbnail. And for my thumbnail, I use Phonto app. It's free. And it is absolutely amazing. I did not have to upgrade or anything. If you guys want to see how exactly I make my thumbnails stand out, leave a comment down below and let me know so that I can show you guys. Another thing, which I'm putting right up there, is what I use for my thumbnails. So, what do you use for your thumbnails, Lay? How do you do it? 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 Okay, so basically how you do it is you go to this first, right? And then you edit your thumbnail, blah, 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 blah. And then, you add the text. Blah, 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 blah. I don't really know the names, so that's why I'm just showing it. But this actually has generated more revenue for me. You have to also look at what people are searching for. If you put up a video, I have a couple of videos that people aren't searching for, but I really strongly believe in it. So I'm just gonna leave it in its own playlist and somebody might see it. I don't know. In order to build my subscribers, which I've just started doing, I actually have been looking for videos that gain traction, that YouTube wants to see, YouTube the corporation wants to see, and viewers want to see. So this video is actually for my aunt because she asked me, how do you start a video? Well, I know it took me a little while, but I got you. We start a video, right? Now, if you see my my get ready with me routine, this is what my twist outs look like after when I take them out. We got suggested videos, okay. We got tags. Okay, so how do you know what tags to use? I'm gonna put that right there. It's actually a Chrome extension that you use to be able to see popular videos, the tags that they use, the description that they use, and how frequent people search it and how high the competition is, which has actually helped me tremendously. vidIQ is a way to be able to test your analytics and all of that good stuff on your YouTube channel, as well as competitors and competition. I'm trying to keep this video short. I just wanted to give you kind of a little bit of the basics, how to start your YouTube for free. Just start. Some tools that I'm using. I invented that iPhone tripod from an old camcorder recording tripod thing and a shoebox. I'm very inventive. What do I use for video equipment? I use my iPhone. That's it. I'm pretty sure that I'll get something else later, but right now, that's all I got. That's my budget free. I have an old camcorder tripod that my father-in-law had that I converted into an iPhone holder, which you'll see. Yes, I'm very creative. When you broke, you gotta be. So this is what I turned into a iPhone tripod. That was for free. You just kind of have to be very inventive when it comes to balling on a budget. My budget's $0. Another thing that I use is a handy dandy camera, the stretch out camera thing. I have no idea what it's called, but oh, a selfie stick. Duh. I use a selfie stick. With me using the selfie stick, I can go out, come in, go out, come in, go out, come in, go out, come in, go out, come in. That's pretty much it, guys. That's it. Oh, you're still here. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, you want to see more tips and tricks and all that good stuff, let me know in the comment down below. 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 Okay. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell, because guess what? I promise you, I'm not boring. Am I? Okay, you know what, don't answer that. I have all different kind of stuff on my page. I have things for kids, even though YouTube is changing that, which I'm actually gonna make a video about next week. Brain fart. Oh, I have family stuff. I have get ready with me, makeup stuff. I have hair stuff, wings. Oh yeah, mental health, bow, and mental health. I'm bipolar. Bow. It's not who I am, it's what I have. I want some more stuff on like editing or whatever, help on editing, let me know and leave a comment down below so that I can help you show you how to do it. And that concludes today's video. Bye.